Hey guys, this is Jesse, the Sand-Dude-Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 3800 Cyclone. Come around here, we'll take a look at this side over here. This one's a triple slide. It has 3 slides. Big bedroom slide. These guys are known, they got the solar glass. Come back here, you got your fuel station. All your tank stuff, dump valves. This one has the outside ladder to get on the roof. Come around here in the back side. LED lights. This one has the electric jacks. You got your big full awning up here. Again, the solar glass. This one has the outside speakers. This one has the double slides in the middle. Got a fireplace down here. The TV. Little microwave. Got a nice little oven here. Got a bigger fridge. We got the theater seats here. This one has the big loft up here with a fan up above. There's lights throughout the whole top. There's an air conditioning duct up there. We got a little ladder over here. Come back here in the back end. Here, come on back here. You can take a look at the bathroom back here. It's all together, which is kind of nice. This has double beds. This is a bed above. This couch here makes and flips over. In the back, you have your little screen room. When this bed comes down over here on this wall, you got the fantastic vent with the controls for the vent up above and the roof up there. Come on up here in the front. We've got a central vac here. And all your gauges and stuff. And coming up here in the hallway, we got another fantastic vent area. This has the pass-through bathroom, big shower with skylight, plenty of room. We got the heat coming out of the floor, air conditioning coming out of here, and another vent fan here. Solid surface countertops, another TV. Big closet up here, actually stand in it. Another air conditioner. Very nice. And if you got any more questions, give me a call. Jesse the Sand-Dude-Davenport. My cell's 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.